Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you today some awesome tips on how to nurture your seedlings and plants. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these tips will help you grow healthy and happy plants. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Hey everyone, have you ever struggled with keeping your seedlings alive or wondered how to make your plants thrive? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share practical and easy-to-follow advice on caring for seedlings and growing plants. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and excited to watch your garden flourish. Let's jump into it. Choosing the right seeds. First things first, choosing the right seeds is crucial for successful gardening. Opt for high-quality seeds from reputable suppliers or consider saving seeds from your favorite plants. Make sure to select seeds that are suitable for your climate and growing conditions. Starting seedlings indoors. To get a head start on the growing season, start your seedlings indoors. Use seed trays or small containers filled with a good quality seed starting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, and provide adequate light using a grow light or by placing them near a sunny window. Providing proper watering. Watering is essential for seedlings and plants, but it's important not to overwater. Keep the soil evenly moist and water the plants at the base to prevent fungal diseases. Use a watering can with a fine spout or a spray bottle for delicate seedlings. Ensuring adequate light. Light is like food for plants, so ensure your seedlings get enough of it. If growing indoors, place them near a south-facing window or use artificial grow lights. Rotate the seed trays regularly to promote even growth and prevent leggy plants. Transplanting seedlings. Once your seedlings have grown a few sets of true leaves, they're ready for transplanting into larger pots or directly into the garden. Be gentle when handling the delicate roots and transplant them into well-prepared soil with good drainage. Fertilizing wisely. Seedlings don't need much fertilizer initially, but as they grow, you can start feeding them with a diluted, balanced fertilizer. Organic options like compost tea or fish emulsion work well for most seedlings and young plants. Protecting from pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids, spider mites, or fungal diseases that can affect seedlings. Remove any affected leaves or plants promptly, and consider using natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soap. Regular maintenance. Regularly check your seedlings and plants for signs of stress, nutrient deficiencies, or overcrowding. Prune or thin out seedlings as needed to promote healthy growth and good air circulation. Hardening off and outdoor planting. Before moving seedlings outdoors permanently, it's important to harden them off. Gradually expose them to outdoor conditions over a period of days or weeks to acclimate them to sunlight, wind, and temperature changes. Enjoying the fruits or vegetables of your labor. Finally, sit back and enjoy the fruits or vegetables of your labor. Harvest your plants at the right time, and don't forget to save seeds from your favorite varieties to continue the cycle of growth. And there you have it, your guide to caring for seedlings and growing plants like a pro. Remember, gardening is a wonderful journey filled with learning and surprises. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt based on your own experiences. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your gardening success stories, leave a comment below. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.